It's been one of the worst flu seasons I've ever seen in my career.
With emergency rooms seeing a crush of patients as the flu rips through Ontario, the Premier posted a video today boasting about his government's healthcare spending. Some ER doctors tell us he should have been using his platform to better warn the public.
There hasn't been any education or information given to the public on this.
But today the Premier did share this with the public.
This year, our government has been working hard to protect Ontario's healthcare system.
The 2.5-minute video goes on to highlight his government's investments in the health sector. Information critics say will not help hospitals with the surge of flu cases. What did you make of that video?
It's unbelievably tone deaf, and I have to say probably very offensive to the many patients who are struggling to get access to healthcare right now, and to the many frontline healthcare workers who have felt nothing but disrespect from this government.
The main culprit for the surge, H3N2, an influenza A subtype accounting for the vast majority of cases in the province.
The waiting rooms are overflowing. We don't have the beds. I think there should have been much better planning for this season.
Dr. Kashif Pirzada works in an emergency room in Toronto and tells us 30% of swabs are coming back positive. Is that a lot in your
That's
experience?
very high. That's very high. Like for the longest time, like it would be like 2, 3, 5%, but just a huge surge of flu positive swabs and also a huge surge in hospital admissions in the last week.
Doctors tell us part of the problem is that the flu shot isn't as effective as years past.
The component that's supposed to protect us against H3N2 is not as protective as we would like. That doesn't mean it's not protective. It just means it's not as protective as we would like. This year is very likely going to end up being more significant and more severe compared to the average flu season.
The other problem, we're told, is a lack of communication from the government.
The writing has been on the wall that influenza cases have been on the rise for weeks now. There has been no public health or health promotion plan.
Before the holiday break, the Minister of Health refused to speak with reporters about the uptick in flu cases this year. We did reach out to the Health Minister's office and they didn't get back to us before airtime. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.